Morning, everybody. Starting another channel. And this one's going to be more on gardening. Up in the northwest of Washington, we're actually on Whidbey Island. And we're close to the ocean on the west side. And it makes it like a microclimate out here. But I wanted to show you a little bit of stuff. And I'm hoping to grow the channel into propagation and seeds and cut flowers and things like that. But here's my Kwanzan cherry tree. It's getting pretty big, getting ready to bloom out. It is like April 23rd, I think, today. And we're a little slower on blooming than if you just go 5 miles into the town of Oak Harbor, just because it's a microclimate out here. But so that's something pretty cool. Going to talk about peonies. I have lots of peonies. Here's some a few starts that went into the ground last year, some cuttings. There's another one over there. You can see we have lots of sand out here. Oh, there's a shadow from me. But there's another peony, got a columbine growing in with it. Here's another peony. This one's been there for quite a few years. It'll have some nice big blooms on it. And lots of columbine, which just kind of roots itself up. Some different daylilies, things like that. There's a golden thread. Have a rose. It's hard for me to have roses out here because of the deer, but there's one that's survived quite a while, a Weigelia. It's a variegated Weigelia, but some of the original, so they must have grafted this on a green one, so I'll have to cut these out pretty soon. But I'm gonna try to propagate the Weigelia. So let me go over to another area and show you some more stuff.